gonna open JoJo Siwa, my first unboxing JoJo Siwa. So like, her has her color hair, and then her JoJo Siwa brown, and her has her shirt on her.
Nice.
So we're gonna unbox her. Wait, okay, yeah, the sides. Oh, yeah. Oh, we take out her.
Ooh.
I can't take out her.
All right, let's see.
So guys, I just barely opened her. Her comes out. Her bone.
Oh,
Her bone is not out. But look
it's
at
so
her, guys.
cute.
If you press like right here, you see where I'm doing it? Her talks. Her camera. And her can like move her legs and she's like walking stuff like that. And you could like stand her like that. So I'm gonna put her.
Ooh,
And her
here.
sets.
That's awesome. Here, remove
So I'm
that.
gonna put her to set. Wait, you guys can see her. And her barely comes with brush.
Aww.
And
JoJo.
her hair is super soft. The colors on her back and her detail. And then
What do we tell JoJo? JoJo, we love your doll.
Yes. And look, you can like this is her like thing. And then when you barely like her shoes are pink, her pads are golden, silver, and then her face is like super cool. The detail of her is like super cute. Her is a singer. Talk about her used to be in her dances and stuff. Her dances on stages, and her has her microphone. So let's get her microphone on. Microphone. Oh my gosh. Okay. Her microphone is off. So, the only thing that we're missing is the thing.
The bow.
The bow. I kind of like where you could like do that stuff and stuff like that. I kind of like when her stuff.
You like all her things, huh?
Yeah.
And this is your very first doll, right, Maya?
Yep.
Your first very own JoJo Siwa doll. That's cute.
Even her says that.
Sing with you later?
Wait.
That's what she says?
Yeah.
I like that song.
Oh yeah, her does say that.
All right, let's see. JoJo. Let's put on her band. Ooh, where do we put it?
Oh, look. It goes like this.
That's cute.
Wait, I can't put it on too.
Let's see.
I like her stuff. I like thank you JoJo Siwa for showing all of the videos out. And the thing that I like about her is her has like the brush. And you could brush her hair.
I like how she sings.
And when you put the microphone on, like on her, so when you do that, so when you put her hand inside, you could press the button and then you could go like that. And then like her keeps on saying that when I put the song. So yeah. And this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And you guys give a big thumbs up. And
let us know what you guys think about the JoJo Siwa singing doll. Right,
yes.
Maya? Because Maya loves it. And remember to
give a like and subscribe.
Thank you, guys.